Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iMessage send and receive phone number loading. If you are using any iPhone and your iMessage send and receive phone number is still loading, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings and here go for apps and then go for messages app here. Once you get it, you just have to select that, and here you will get the send receive, and here you will be your phone number. But if it's still loading, so you just have to disable this toggle which is your iMessage and then enable it again. So it will take up to 5 or 10 seconds to load your phone number or your Gmail or email what you have logged in here. So you must have to wait for that, and you have to try to do this step again. It will refresh the system of your iMessage if there's any issue to recognize or access your phone number into iMessage apps. It will be fixed in this step, or if this method doesn't work for you, you have to go for in general and here go for software update, and you have to try to update your software. If you have any pending update here, you have to try to update your software. Then you have to also make sure that you have enough storage up to 10 GB free. And once you have that, you have to go for App Store and you have to simply search for Messages app. Once you have searched for Messages, you just have to go for the app, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update up here for your Messages app. Or if you have any pending update, try to update your messages and it will fix your issue. So in this way, you can easily fix if your iMessage send and receive phone number is still loading. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.